You go out, you now take out 30 minutes. Brakistorukakis. Fradigas tonjala barakias tragas. Varagados taragista. Ragisto bragatista afradias. Ziza varodo sabidakak. Rekiastos tafradias. See, sometimes as you are speaking these tongues, you now move from your tongues to heavenly tongues. Because there is a time when there is a bridge. You connect to heaven. Mengra, Abdi, Alila, Ista, Gikarak, Dragadina, Mondakias, Lelish, Ovrakatirias, Baragagas, Toash. When you finish speaking, you go. While you are in that meeting, everybody is talking. The moment is your turn, heaven will open. When you talk, they will say, sir, but how do you know these things? I don't know them. They came. They came to me. Jesus said in Matthew 10:20, he said, at that hour, don't think of what you will say. Open your mouth, I will fill it. They came. And the reason they came is because you are created in the image of God. The second thing God gave you is his likeness. That means you were designed to function like God. And I wish we have time to see how God functions. See, there are two dimensions of God's excellency. There is the creation dimension and there is the resurrection dimension. In the creation dimension, God is the one who produces everything you see. It's one of the dimensions of God. So God can create a way, God can open a door, God can grant favor and all of that. That is beautiful, but that's not where the glory of God dwells. That is glorious because there's no one who can create, but that's not where the fullness of God's glory dwells. The fullness of God's glory is manifested in his resurrection dimension. If you study Ephesians 1 verse 18 to 20, all of the words for power are locked up there. From ischus to kratos to megatos to dunamis, all the words for power. Because when Jesus rose from the dead, that was when he truly proved God. That means even death could not hold him captive. If something is created, it can die. But if something rises from the dead, it means that thing is eternal, that thing is immortal, and only God operates there. So if God created you to operate in his likeness, it means he created you to function beyond the grave. That's why I told you nothing dies with you. Now look at Jesus, the way Jesus lived his life. Lazarus is sick. Come quickly before he dies. If I come quickly, you can put me in the category of doctors. Because doctors too come quickly. You think if it's because